Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make break dance in Minecraft. First, gather your materials: an armor stand, a redstone block, and a command block. You will also need some armor and tools to equip your armor stand. We'll begin by placing the armor stand and preparing it for animation. This process involves a few simple steps to get your dancer ready for action. The core of our breakdance routine relies on the versatile armor stand. To start, place an armor stand on the ground. Then, you'll use a specific command to manipulate its pose. For example, you can set its head, body, and limb rotations. There are many different pose combinations, allowing for a wide range of movements. Think of it as posing a mannequin for your dance. To bring your breakdance to life, we'll use command blocks to animate the armor stand. Place a command block and enter a command that changes the armor stand's pose. Then, create a simple redstone clock, like a 2-tick repeater loop, to activate the command block rapidly. This rapid activation will create the illusion of movement, making your armor stand appear to dance fluidly. Now for the fun part: customizing your breakdance. Equip your armor stand with any armor, tools, or even banners to give it a unique look. You can create more intricate routines by chaining several command blocks, each with a different pose. Adjusting the speed of your redstone clock will change the tempo of the dance, from a slow groove to a fast-paced spin. Get creative and make your own signature moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.